Greetings, lovely people. This is your celebrity teacher. Today I'm taking to the rice farm. We're going to look at how they harvest the rice. We're going to look at how they harvest. Ayo! And then I have said the ucha emono. I know try and pam 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 me. Yeah. So viewers, I'm in the rice farm. We're going to look at how the rice is being harvested. Today too, I have to be very careful so that I will not fall down. Because oh, it's good. You need to train the children. It's good. That is it. That is it. Hey, it's not easy. Look at it. That is it. That is it. So, look, this is how the rice is being harvested. Hey. So they try. Yeah. So this is how the rice is being harvested. We are looking at it. This one is manual. Yes. TV ani abuano. Okay. Wow. Wow. So this is manual. Oba ni say na wabuano. Eku. Wow. Hey. No. Hey, now they are no hey. Ah, auntie, I said me the one. Me say pen my free. Hey. The place is very soft. Very soft. Yes. Until the uncle. Yeah. So I've come to Mr. Kwame Agboli's rice farm, and today I'm going to teach you, or he's going to teach us how to harvest the rice. This one they are not using combined harvester. No. Manpower. He said they are using manpower. Manpower. It's not easy. It's not easy. Ebane say, oh, how many are muta shia wo? Bra mo de munsa twa no.
Yeah, na me. How na woman say sika me twa.
Betimi twa.
Yeah.
So the knife can cut you.
Yeah.
Now what about muntimi nso aboa bi mu?
I know dem so bi mu da.
Wow.
Yeah.
So we create I said da ho kama.
I said da ho. No kurampo me mbo spray yo.
One more spray.
Your star me di.
As I see mfu.
Say tama efifi no. Eba kakra na ma biensuo na aguase. Nti mura baako na ewo mu na ma pikini nyina.
Ensuo ben sa.
Ensuo ensuo.
Assassin ensuo no. Anti usili ensuo no.
Nti na ma hippy no.
Oh, okay.
Don anu ha say no.
Yeah.
Ma hippy baako afa ha de ko. Ensuo ha, ensuo ba wa ha.
Okay.
Cheba sana mura ni ase.
Oh, okay. So viewers, this one is technology. He didn't use any chemical. Like I said earlier on, he didn't use any chemical, not even fertilizer. So you can see that there are no weeds under. He said what he used is the water. Sometimes you will block the water, and then you just open it like that. You prepare something like a ridge or a canal that will contain the water, and then he has been releasing them small like that. Oh, okay. Hey. Sure. Okay. Wow. They're harvesting the rice. In wrong one. And what once is that? Now, where and Eddie? And Roddy. And no joke, and no money midi. She said, we're not target to a green one. I said, no, in so woman. Crumple me the net, Yamia, the net, Baby cover. I said, we saw the net, I cover, no, dear baby kit. It's way better take better how many years and oh, they all hand there at least 3 weeks. 3 weeks to come, now I dry. Oh, okay. Okay. Wow. Hey. Jumei. Baby, and can okita a machine in Namso. Combine machine on Namso, will be in a bag. Yeah. But Africa. Hey, living legends. Oh. We could be me so Obi as oh, men who say Obi ye be bit say ya buano. Mammy Bindi just begging. Oh, Mammy Bindi. Ah, now Muluba and one Mammy Bindi. But you be announced to make us oh, Charlie walk a camp. No. And my crampo, Charlie, Babuami. Braba could be pet. I mean, who's always sad, you know. Ah, well, be Trebia or Bahana Miniha. None more how, but Pamama system cover. Oh, okay. No crampo a baba watching. Or coaching. Wow. But do has an amini hadia. Oh, where do you find? Wow. This is to has to gather them in pieces like this. Then after that, you collect them and hip them. So it, you see. Finish and I do 3 days and I break call. Ube hippie. Yeah. I do Sata. None in every. If you are the chukra, baby. Yeah. You group and then the same color. Yes. It may be easy. Because if you moon and no cry, and you better. Hey, I dare the same as me boot. Me boot now. But I say with trouser no. And the trouser no. Now my use one right. Hey. So viewers, you see, these are some of the problems they face when harvesting the rice. You see, you have to remove my Wellington boots. I have to remove them. If not, I cannot. You see, look, it's not easy at all. This is it to harvesting rice in Ghana. Hey. Hey, Manako. Of course, I have to be a day. But the boot in shows, Anna. Easy. Wow. For viewers, it's not easy. Some of the problems they facing. So you need to respect farmers. Farmers are going through a lot that we need to respect them. Oh yes. Farmers and teachers. Yeah, so like a teacher like me say you should respect us. So, so I have to remove it. If not, I cannot. Look, the place is very, very, very muddy. And see where say in so etimi say no. To say baby a wadua no. Into to me. To say me can wo dua. In so ebetimi ato a ma na abroso ma na say no. Say efifi kitiwa sanu na say. In so ni faso a. Oh, okay. Yes, the same thing I'm facing with. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. I might be crying to me. Oh. Oh, okay. Yeah. Wait. Take you how many? It's a 3 months. Say brood na. I'm say fast. 3 months. Maybe a 2.5. So when you cultivate it 2.5 months, then it's ready for you to harvest. So this one, it will say, "Do you understand? September no more." And oh, okay. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Hey, that's a moon. Hey. So it's not easy. It's not easy. This work is not easy at all. To harvest rice.
You work as
I want to do. Wow. Oh, many a job.
Sometimes it's no mama coin.
Ah.
You were buying now, shut it more.
Oh, way. Wow. This is how harvest the rice. Okay. That's how we harvest rice. Those of you who have not seen it before, that's how we harvest rice. How to harvest rice in Ghana. This is Ghana method. Ghana method. Ghana method. Wow. So after gathering them like this, you collect them. And heap it like the one over there. You heap it. We're going to look at how over there. So it's not easy. Look. It's not easy. Look at it. Where we have to step. Don't step where you step. It's you. Wow. Hey, we you mpa one day to me nantim. Hey. Wow. So it's not easy. So after gathering them like this, so he's gathering them. You see. See. What they call. I'm going to show you where he has been removing the grain. So you're going to look at it. Yes. Wow. Wow. Hey. So we are now removing the husk. We are now removing the husk. Wow. Wow. Even children can even do it. So it's finished. Oh, okay. You see, oh, they have removed everything. Yes. I'm also going to do it. We're also going to do it.
What's happening?
See you. Nasa? Oh, wow. This is how we remove the husk. The rice in the husk. So the machine would need an say only the
Wait. Oh, they've just
box. This box help the rice farmer to remove the husk. Oh, okay. It's you. Wow. We are removing the husk, like the grains from the plants. So you see, these are the rice, but it's still in the husk. You see, so this is manual. Oh, so if anybody can come to our aid, we'll be happy. At least machine that can remove the rice from the plants, then remove the rice itself from the husk, and then we'll be happy. After this, he has to collect them to where he is, and then he was going to dry it for about 3 days. Then he will bag them and send them to a very far place to go and remove the husk. So it is not easy at all. It's not easy at all. So this is a celebrity teacher today. I brought you to Mr. Agboli's farm once again. Today I came to show you all how he harvests the rice. Nti wenu nyina ya muni bi. Wo nti ebedi be say ansa na watwa.
Oh, when me feel happiness is me come on.
Ah, nti abre. Oh, okay. Good.